Hey guys, what's up? It's Jimmy again. There's a major development going out there. Nokia is replacing their current lazy CEO, Risto Salima. Basically, he was a chairman and then he was an acting CEO. Nokia is kicking him out because Nokia is declining down the hill. Nokia is losing major market share to Apple and then to the Android. Even after the partnership with the Microsoft, they're still declining down the hill. So they are thinking about to replace the CEO, and then comes up. It is the best decision they are going to take, but they are bringing the guy who was already bringing them the major revenue. He's an Indian. Rajiv Suri was the head properly because now he's the CEO. Now he's not anymore the head. He was the head of the Nokia networking unit where the major revenue comes from Nokia. So the board of directors said we should kick this lazy ass Aristo Salimon and let's bring this Indian guy because he's the guy who is trying to help us to float on the sea or we are gonna sink. Really, if this guy was not working hard, Nokia had already gone bankrupt. Or Nokia had become the next Motorola. Sometimes Google buy and then Google try to take whatever they want and then throw to Lenovo. But Nokia has survived whatever because now nobody is using Windows Lumia phone. To be honest with you, I'm using Windows 520, but nobody else. So this is the guy who was helping to Nokia to stay ahead or at least to survive their declining path. So this guy was the guy who was majorly bringing all the revenue from the networking unit of Nokia. So of course it is a logical decision then made, but the major point of the story is it is the second Indian have become the CEO. Few months before, another Indian called Satya Nadella had become the CEO of Microsoft. Most people are calling is that a trend. Now American company Microsoft is American, basically Nokia is a Finland company. Now I mean the major company now India should run that company or they run better than the white guys. I'm not a racist. I'm from Pakistan. I'm honest with you. But the problem is the guy who will bring the money, they will replace it. I'm only agreeing on the Nokia one, Rajiv Suri. I'm not agreeing on the Satya Nadella. Basically, Satya Nadella is the same dumb ass like Bill Gates. He's a 20 years veteran of same mindset. We all guys should use Windows 8 with a Metro interface. The Windows 8 is really crap. You all guys know I have used Windows 8 to be on. It's a piece of crap. It's a piece of shit. My Windows XP machine is better. I will rather prefer to use Windows 98 rather to use Windows 8.1 or Windows 8 whatever. Satya Nadella is the same mindset guy. Okay, he's not going to change Microsoft. He's not going to gain back the share which Microsoft already lost to Linux or to Debian or to Unix or to the major Apple, because most of guys are shifting to Apple. Apple is stable. Mac OS of Apple is stable. It gets less viruses and that they are not screwing it up like you guys have screwed it. I'm talking about Microsoft. So I didn't see any major change. They must bring a new guy at Microsoft who has a new mindset, who does not think like the same guys who have screwed Windows 8. So, but for this Nokia, because Nokia is doing quite good, because Nokia is building a solid Lumia line. They have already built it. They have established it over the past year. They use the polycarbonate. I mean, the plastic is quite good. No, I think even Samsung is not using even. HTC have using on I think HTC, I forgot the name, HTC one they have using on that one, but they are now no more using. Now they have shift to aluminum design. So Nokia is the best mobile company out there who make the beautiful design cases. Even they put one of the finest operating system, Windows 8 to be honest with you. Windows 8 is operating system for guys like me, for guys who don't like Android. I mean, scrolling around the screen, the guys who just want to get the work done. I love my iPad because it's easy to use. Windows 8 is easy to use. Now I'm using Windows 8.1 mobile. Windows Phone point 1. I'm talking about mobile operating system. Sometimes screw up. There's a window operating system. There's a Windows Phone. Windows Phone 8.1. Now even the Cortana is in better than Siri. To be honest, I like Nokia. I like Microsoft Windows Phone 8.1. So I'm really happy they are bringing the guy Rajiv Suri, who was already bringing the major revenue into the Nokia. So let's see, this guy gonna rock. I'm definitely sure Nokia is coming back to the game. So let's see what happened. So subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna talk every day something new about tech. I'm new to here. I'm not used to speak in front of a camera. Bye, Anara.